Now you know that synovial joints are of so many types. अच्छा, एनो एक आपको लिस्ट बनावी दियो. Ball and socket type of joint. In that examples are ball and socket type of joints. In that examples are shoulder joint, hip joint. Okay, ball and socket type of joint in that shoulder joint and hip joint. These two are the examples. In the bone of the one bone, it is situated in the socket of the another bone. Yes, glenoid cavity plus head of humerus, acetabulum plus head of femur. Yeah. Shoulder joint and hip joint. Hinge joint. Hinge. Unidirectional. Elbow joint. Knee joint. IP joint. Interphalangeal joint. Okay. IP joint. Interphalangeal joint. So interphalangeal joints are of two types: proximal interphalangeal and distal interphalangeal. Okay, हमने अंदर interphalangeal joint is only one, because in thumb two phalanges are there. Okay, so first and second phalanx. So here unidirectional movement there. This is interphalangeal joint. Don't consider this. Actually, this is the metacarpophalangeal joint. This is known as metacarpophalangeal joint, and thumb joint it is known as saddle joint. This is the saddle joint. Okay, and this is interphalangeal joint. So when you think about the thumb, consider like this. And when you think about the fingers, you consider that this first joint, this one, this is known as proximal interphalangeal joint, and this is known as distal interphalangeal joint, and all are unidirectional movement. This movement is occur of the metacarpophalangeal joint. Saddle, but this considered as a hinge joint. So knee joint, elbow joint, interphalangeal joint in that proximal interphalangeal joint, distal interphalangeal joint, and along with that, this same type of the joints are also seen in the fingers of the foot also. Same fingers of the hand and fingers of the foot, same, and along with that ankle joint. Ankle joint. Okay, now you know that third is pivot joint, radio-ulnar joint. If you know that ulna is connected to the humerus, radius is not. Actually, elbow joint is known as humero-ulnar joint. Radius is not articulate with this. Similarly, in the knee joint, femur is connected to the tibia. Femur is connected to the tibia. Fibula is not connected or not included in the knee joint. Okay, tibia and femur. Here, ulna and humerus. Right? So, radio-ulnar joint, which is responsible for this type of the movement. I am doing this movement. This movement is radio-ulnar joint. This movement is humero-ulnar joint. Okay, and this movement is of the carpal bones. Okay, when I will hold the and like this, and I will move. This is known as carpal joints movement. Okay, and due to carpal joints, due to radioulnar joint, and due to finger, fine movement occurs. These are known as fine movements. Fine movements are very important there. Okay, so pivot joint is also known as syndesmosis. Pivot joint is syndesmosis. હવે ડાયરેક્ટ વર્ડ યુઝ કરું તો ચાલશે જો તો થિકોડોન also known as bronchosis. Thicodont, as you know, that the root of the teeth, it is located or fixed in the socket of the jaw bones. Upper jaw is known as maxilla and lower jaw is known as mandible. But upper jaw is known as maxilla, maxilla 2, and these two maxilla are connected here with the help of suture. But mandible is only one there. Okay? And you know that TM joint is the joint for power. Okay? So the root of the teeth are located in the socket of the jaw known as bronchosis. Now, study of the body movement is known as kinesiology. Study of body movement is known as kinesiology. Study of joint known as arthrology. And comparative study of skull bones. Comparative study of skull bones known as craniology. Rheumatoid arthritis, in that you know that Ig is nothing but immunoglobulin. Ig is nothing but immunoglobulin. And here immunoglobulin, in that 5 types are there. Gamma-A, get out to window. IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, and IgE. So generally in the healthy person, IgM antibody is normally absent. But here in rheumatoid arthritis, find in that IgM antibody is detected abnormally. And in rheumatoid arthritis, I will show you that. Okay? I will arrange the video lecture. Fine. તમને હું આખું સ્લાઇડ શો બતાવીશ. Skeletal system, scoliosis, kyphosis, lordosis, sports disease, spina bifida, club foot, ક્લબ ફૂટ બતાવીશ. એમાં મોસ્ટલી ન્યૂબોર્નમાં 2 ફૂટ આમ સામે સામે આવે છે. ક્લબ ફૂટ ફાઇન. ઘણી બધી સ્લાઇડ્સ છે, 70-80 સ્લાઇડ્સ છે, એટલે એમાં તે લગભગ 1.5 hour જોશે, બરાબર. માઇટ બી 2 hours. અને આપણે આ કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યા પછી અને બતાવીશ એમાં ના આવે. હા, ઓકે. દેન આર્થરાઇટિસ યુ નો. अच्छा, जो कि एनसीईआरटी में आपको एक्सप्लेन કર્યું છે. आर्थराइटिस मीन्स inflammation of joint, and arthritis is generally 3 types. Rheumatoid arthritis, RA, then OA, osteoarthritis, and one is gouty arthritis. It is due to gout. Osteoarthritis, OA, it is most commonly occurs in the knee joint, where synovial fluid amount decreases. So when you see that OA knee X-ray, so that synovial fluid decreases and the distance between the tibia and femur also decreases. So bone will friction together. And majoritarily locking of knee is a more common symptom in OA knee. Osteoarthritis માં most common knee joint lock થઈ જાય, પછી ક્યારે લોક ખુલી જાય, ક્યારે લોક જ રહે. But OA knee, it is age related disorder. No any curative treatment is available for that, and as you know that partially knee replacement or totally knee replacement therapy is only applicable there. Okay, that is osteoarthritis. So osteoarthritis is very common in aged person due to less amount of synovial fluid. Gouty arthritis occurs due to gout, and gout is a metabolic disorder in which abnormally increase in the amount of uric acid. Abnormally increase in the amount of uric acid in blood. Gout is the disease of excretory system, but due to that abnormally uric acid is accumulated in the joint, and the joint becomes stiff and immovable. But that joints affect higher. I will show you that gouty arthritis, how it is look like. Okay, and if you take the more amount of proteinaceous food for a prolonged time, only proteinaceous food for a prolonged time, might be you have chances of gout. એટલે બાયોલોજીકલ લેંગ્વેજમાં કહેવાય છે બધું લિમિટમાં સારું લાગે. ગ્લુકોઝ લેસ અમાઉન્ટમાં હોય વીકનેસ લાગે, મોર અમાઉન્ટ ડાયાબિટીસ થાય, લિપિડ લેસ અમાઉન્ટ થીન બોડી, મોર અમાઉન્ટ આર્ટેરિયલ ડિસીઝ, blood clot. Protein is low, PAM occurs. PAM. PAM ભણી ગયા. PAM code. PEM. Protein energy malnutrition. And in PAM, 2 diseases occurs. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. એટલે પેન અને પેમ માં ફેર પડ્યો, જરા ધ્યાન રાખો. આપણે જે મોટા ક્રોમોસોમલ ડિસઓર્ડર ને મેન્ટેલિયલ બેસિસ ડિસઓર્ડર માં ગોટાળા થયા એવું પેન અને પેમ માં થાય. પછી એસટીડી ને એસટીપી માં પ્રોબ્લેમ થશે. આ બધી એલર્ટ તમને આપી દઉં છું, પછી તમારે ઇક્વેશન સાથે ડીલ કઈ રીતે કરવું તે જોવાનું છે. Osteoporosis. Generally in our body, bone cells are known as osteocytes. Osteocytes. And osteocytes are of two types. Osteoblast and osteoclast. બધું જ NCERT માં કીધેલું છે, છતાં એક વખત કહી દઉં. જનરલી આપણને એક રોંગ બિલીવ થાય કે ઓસ્ટિયોબ્લાસ્ટ એટલે ઓસ્ટિયોસાઇટ્સ ને કિલ કરતા હશે, બટ હિયર ઇટ ઇઝ ઓપોઝિટ વે. ઓસ્ટિયોબ્લાસ્ટ મીન્સ bone formative cells and osteoclast are bone destroying cells. So generally when osteoblast is equal to osteoclast, our bone density is maintained there. Number of bone cells are destroyed is equal to number of bone cells are formed. But due to vitamin D deficiency, due to their rickets occurs. Rickets, osteomalacia and osteoporosis. Our body is able to form the vitamin D only by exposure to sunlight. Yes, it is naturally formed by our skin. So if vitamin D deficiency is there, vitamin D name is cholecalciferol, ergocalciferol. So calcium is essential here. Less amount of calcium hoy to bleeding disorder. More amount of calcium, more clotting of blood. So here, due to vitamin D deficiency, osteoporosis occurs. So here in osteoporosis, what happened? Osteoclast are more than the blast. Comparatively to the formation of the bone, destruction of the bone more occurs there. And due to that, bone becomes spongy and fragile. It is easily breakable. For example, if I will hold the elbow joint and hand of that person like this, and when I will move the elbow joint, might be radius ulnar or humerus fracture occurs due to this type of the normal movement. Bone become much more fragile. If bone is fractured, there is no any curative treatment is available. Operative condition to possible is nothing. Because fracture થઈ ગયું હોય તો ઓપરેશન કરે તો રોડ or plate or screw એને ફિટ કરવા માટે bone density is much more required. But here bone density reduced, so any stability is નહીં રહે. So if the person got the fracture, malunion occurs. Malunion, fracture site જે છે bones પાસે પાસે ખસી ગયા હોય and bones are united together and malunion occurs, and due to that type of the changes are seen. Shape બદલાઈ જાય એટલે લિમ્ફ નો શેપ બદલાઈ ગયો, બોન નો શેપ બદલાય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ મને ઓસ્ટિયોપોરોસિસ છે તો ફીમર માં અહીંયા ફ્રેક્ચર થયું, એક ફ્રેગમેન્ટ આમ વયું ગયું, એક ફ્રેગમેન્ટ આમ વયું ગયું, તો એન્ગ્યુલેટેડ થાય થઈ જશે. એટલે વેઇટ બેરિંગ માટે પ્રોબ્લેમ ક્રિએટ કરશે. The type of the fracture occur in the type of the bone according to that symptoms are seen. રોડ માટે, પ્લેટ માટે, સ્ક્રૂ માટે તો બોનની ડેન્સિટી તો બરોબર હોવી જોઈએ ને, તો ફિટ કરે. સપોઝ આ વોલ છે તો આ વોલ જ જો વીક હોય, ડ્રીલથી તમે હોલ કરી દેશો પણ અંદર ગ્રીપ રે, સ્ક્રૂ રે તો ઈ સ્ટેબલ રહેશે ને. વોલ જ સપોઝ ખવાઈ ગઈ હોય, થીન સ્પોન્જી થઈ ગઈ હોય, બગડી ગઈ હોય તો ગમે તેટલા ડ્રીલ કરો, ગમે તેટલા સ્ક્રૂ લગાવો, બરાબર. નેક્સ્ટ, osteoporosis occurs normally in pregnant ladies due to lack of estrogen. Because in pregnant lady, progesterone is at the higher stage. That's why progesterone is also known as pregnancy hormone. In pregnant lady, estrogen is very low compared to the progesterone. So osteoporosis are commonly seen in the aged person, in the pregnant lady due to lack of estrogen or less amount of the estrogen. Along with that, cortisone is one type of steroid. If the person can take the prolonged time, this cortisone steroidal treatment, so as a side effect, person got the osteoporotic changes in the body. એટલે જો આપણે કોર્ટિસોન ટાઈપ સ્ટીરોઇડ પ્રોલોંગ ટાઈમ લઈએ તો after long time we have chances to get the osteoporosis. અને osteoporosis માં એક જ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ કરાય છે કે supplementary of calcium to prevent the further osteoporotic changes. એટલે જેટલું બોન ડેમેજ થઈ ગયું છે એ થઈ ગયું છે, હવે ફર્ધર ડેમેજ ન થાય એટલે કેલ્શિયમ ટેબ્લેટ્સ એઝ અ સપ્લિમેન્ટ થેરાપી અપાય, બાકી કોઈ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ અવેલેબલ નથી. Clear? Okay, so this is about the need of the 20th chapter. Now finally this chapter is over. Okay?